You may have a PDF file on your iPhone and want to send it to someone via email. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send PDF through email on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Now your PDF file should be on your My Files or Files app, right? So just tap on Files and open it and locate the PDF file that you want to send through email. Now, once you have located your PDF file, just press and hold on that specific file or document, and you should be able to see the share option right over here. So click on share, and you should be able to see the mail option. So if you use that app, just tap on that. And then from here, you can input the email of the recipient. So tap on it and type in the email of the person that you want to send this file to. For example, like that. And you can also input the subject. So something like that. And you can also add in a message with the file to add more context to your email. And then once you have set everything up, you can just click on this arrow up button to send it to that person. Now, if you use the Gmail app, you can do the same, press and hold, click on share, and if you don't see the Gmail app from these lists, you can just click on more right here and find the Gmail app from this list. Click on Gmail, and you can do the same thing as you did with the Mail app.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.